Hi guys, do you want to build like this dashboard and then you don't know where to start? How to become a full stack data analyst? How to become a full stack data science? So this course is for you. I'm going to show you exactly like this dashboard. You are going to create like this one, same like this one. It's amazing, right? It's look perfect, right? How to solve real world problems. So in this way, you are going to make a great decisions. I'm going to show you another one dashboard you're going to see and how it's look, and you see guys, and how it's look. You see, you're going to build like it's same like this dashboard, and you're going to make a great decisions in this year in 2024. And we are going to learning from this dashboard. Now we have another one, this one we're going to build the same like that. So from start to end we are going to build. So see you in my next tutorials guys. We are going to build like this one. Okay, bye for now.